guys, welcome to Cooking with Salsa Queen, and today we're gonna be making some amazing chicken kebabs, and we're gonna be using our amazing creamy jalapeno and a lot of the delicious delicious veggies, and we're gonna be making an easy watermelon juice. No, cantaloupe juice. Anyway, okay, so today I want to invite my awesome son Eli, and he's gonna come and help me to make this because I feel like this recipe is great. Come baby, it's great for the kids to be involved, and we have made this a few times already, and it's one of our favorite recipes. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut up some chicken first. Come over here, papacito, mi papacito. And we already have some chicken here, and you're gonna slice it into squares. Okay, now that we have the chicken all cut up, we are gonna put our creamy jalapeno in there. Let's see, this is gonna be so good. Highlight. So I probably put like half of the container in there. I had used a little bit already, and we're gonna mix it up, but you wanna put a pinch of salt and a little bit of oil so it can cook properly and nice. Right, Eli? And we're gonna mix it up. And now that it's nice and ready, we get to play. So, we're ready to play, Eli? So we have our, they're right here for our kebabs. Okay, you wanna get going, Eli? We've done this before, so no, not that first. You want to put a veggie first.
This is a veggie.
And then, put that in there if you want. And this is the fun part where the kids can choose whatever they want to put in there. So you can find their favorite vegetables and fruit, because today we're going to be putting some pineapple in there too, just to give it a little twist. These are going to be so good, and the whole family is going to get to enjoy it. It's kind of like building your own pizza. So this is kind of fun. And guess what, guys? You guys have to be careful with this. We are gonna put some jalapenos in there. This is gonna be fun and spicy. Of course, you can skip those if you don't wanna put any jalapenos, but I think they would add an amazing flavor to it. Let's put a mushroom. And then they're ready. And then we're gonna put them right there. You wanna put some chicken in there, babe? So that's what is fun about that. You can do and put whatever you want. Let's put another of these. Pineapple? Let's put some pineapple in there because pineapple is good. And let's do a little tomato.
I don't know.
You love tomatoes, Eli, don't you? Little tomatoes, they're so good. Oh, perfect. Oh, he didn't put any chicken, I guess, but... Oh, one? You want me to put one in there? Okay, this is gonna be Eli's. And then you just keep building them like this until you're done. Kebab, huh? So now I'm gonna show you how to make the cantaloupe juice. This is one of my favorite drinks. So we're gonna cut the cantaloupe. Okay, so we wanna throw some ice, cantaloupe, some sugar, probably like half a cup of sugar, agua, and here we go. And just like that, you have yourself some amazing cantaloupe juice. A couple of limes in there, and then like an hourglass. Oh yes, this is so amazing and so good and so easy. You want to drink this all summer long. Yes. Okay, and this is the final dish. It looks amazing. Isn't that delicious? Oh, yeah. I want some. And we're gonna put a little bit, drizzle some lemon juice. Oh my gosh, my mouth is like watering, but it's always watering because I'm always hungry. And then we're gonna put a little bit of like the mango pineapple, our mango pineapple salsa. Just drizzle it over. Oh, this is so good. And some of them you can make it with the creamy jalapeno. Oh yes. How's that? And then the last one, what if we do mango pineapple and creamy jalapeno? We'll do both. How's it going over there, Eli? Coming good? Everything? And right here we have our final dish. I hope you guys enjoy it and make it at home this summer. And make sure to like this video, subscribe, and check out our other videos.
And don't forget to turn on notifications.
That's right.